Hey guys, I'm here today with my brother Connor. Connor's been on a couple times before. Connor runs his own e-commerce email marketing agency as well, and he's here today to show us a quick couple-minute video on a really cool thing you guys can do on Strikethrough. Connor, what's going on?
Hey man, thanks for having me on again.
Yeah, dude, of course. The floor is all yours, and for those that are listening, drop us some feedback on the video. Give us a thumbs up, drop some comments if you guys like these kind of quick, short tutorials from Connor and kind of in general on ways to do things within your guys' email accounts. Connor, it's all yours.
Awesome. Yeah. Simple, quick tactic that I'm using, seeing it work really well and wanted to share with you guys. So pretty much like a strike through. And what that means is like pretty much it will strike through a price of the old price and show you the new price you can get. So perfect way to use it for like discounts, kind of highlight the magnitude of what you're showing and the discount. And the reason for this is like a quick way to showcase the change in product price without having to custom code anything in Figma, like Photoshop. It kind of saves time and it makes you easily link back to products using like the product block rather than having to custom link each individual image and making sure it's set up correctly. So saves a lot of time. So pretty much use cases, sales, promotions, anything you want to do to highlight the discount magnitude, kind of play on the psychology like, hey, like you're actually getting a good deal using this. Also, a good way to use it for bundles, like buy two, this is the price you can save. And also like for brands that do subscriptions, like I know a lot of times that, hey, subscribe and save $10 when you do this. Perfect way to show that if they subscribe and save, they can save like $3, $4, and so on. This is how you set it up. So pretty much in Klaviyo, pick a product block, look like this, and then you select the products from the catalog that are relevant. So if you're pushing like a Memorial Day sale or whatever, you obviously want to do bestsellers or bundles or whatever it's relevant. From there, you'll see like a thing like this, the product block. And then you're going to want to enable custom description and turn off the product price because the strike through will do that. So once you have that, you'll have something that looks like this, like the product name, the price, and then this form will be shown. And then you can obviously change the button text. And then in the custom description, you're going to paste this simple code. And we'll make sure to drop this wherever it is so they can easily use it. And the cool thing is, so the only thing you need to change is the product price. So like if it's $40 and then if it's $60 and you're going to save $20, obviously put 40. So whatever price you want to do, you just obviously change it after the dollar sign. And the cool thing is you can change the strike through color. So you can make this green, white, just by typing in white, whatever color it is. And this is kind of how it looks live. So pretty much I'll copy and paste the code like this. And then I'll make sure product price is off, custom description is on. And then in the custom description in the product block, just gonna copy and paste that. And you see right there how from $61, and then you would probably change that to 2. So from $61 to $48.80 with its coupon code. And obviously like this is a quick mock, like Memorial Day sale, 50% off, and what the magnitude it can do. And just a quick change, like if you want to make it green, you just change that to green, and then so forth. And that's pretty much it, where it saves you time. You can easily highlight the discount as well. And it really helps in the psychology, like, hey, like you're actually getting a good deal by ordering now.
Love it, Connor. Appreciate you being here. For those that are listening, if you guys have any questions, please reach out to Connor or myself. Connor, what's the best way for people to ask you a question or follow along? Is it Twitter?
Yeah, at Dimond email. So just hit me a message and I'll respond pretty quick at that. So happy to connect with anyone.
Cool. So Dimond email, no A in Dimond. I'll drop his handle below. Again, let us know if you guys like these short, quick wins and these kind of short, quick hacks. And we'll see you guys soon. Thanks, guys.
Hey, guys.